Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick. Today is July 26th, and we're solving problem number 207 from the Daily Epsilon calendar. And today we are joined by Quill, who is going to help us out today and figure out why x should be 26. So looks like we have three different equations that were kind of given. And in these three equations, we have three unknowns. We have A, B, and C. And usually when you have the same amount of unknown variables as equations, you can solve for them all. So maybe we could just solve for A, B, and C, add this all up, and get 26. Although one thing I do notice about this problem is that this right side is just super symmetric. We have 2A, 2B, 2C, and then 3A, 3B, and 3C. And I think I would like to kind of employ an interesting strategy here for this system of equations. If these two things are balanced, then I could just say that 21 equals 2a plus 3b. That's pretty clear. It just comes from the first equation. But I can start kind of adding these equations together in a sense, because since the 25 and 3b plus 2c are the same, I could add on the 25 on one side and add on the 2b plus 3c to the other side of my equation, and it still should be equal because I'm adding like the left sides up, and this is equal to that, this is equal to that, so surely these things added to each other are also equal. And so I'll tack on the third equation too. I can add the 19 on the left side of my equation, and I'll keep it balanced by adding on 2c plus 3a to the right side of my equation. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I noticed some kind of similarity between what I'm doing now and my target, this kind of 2a plus 2b plus 2c. On the left-hand side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, plus this one makes 6 tens, or 60, and then plus this 5 makes 65. And then on the right side, I think I just have 5a, 5b, and 5c, because we have 2a, 3a, 2b, 3b, and then finally 2c and 3c. So adding up all of those terms together, we get 5a plus 5b plus 5c. So we're kind of getting somewhere. This looks pretty similar to that, just we have 5s and the problem is asking for 2s. So next, I think I'll just divide both sides by 5, and then I'll isolate the sum of a, b, and c. Not really sure what they are just yet, but they are going to be equal to 13 when you add them all up. That's just 65 divided by 5. And finally, to get 2a, 2b, 2c all added up, all I need to do is multiply both sides of this equation by 2. So 2a plus 2b plus 2c must equal 26. That matches today's date. And I didn't even have to figure out what A, B, and C are. Maybe you could try doing that on your own, but I feel pretty satisfied with this solution, so I'll stop for now. So thanks for coming along, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.